welcome back to another episode of Behind the Scenes with Saybons. So today we are bringing you behind the scenes to look at the cooking of our seafood-based soup. So let's go behind the scenes and look at what goes into cooking this soup into a 2-star great taste winner. The number one rule when dealing with seafood is to always use the freshest seafood that you can get your hands on, and to handle it quickly such that it will always retain its freshness. Singapore being an island, we have access to great quality seafood at pretty affordable prices. I wanted to create a luxurious French bisque soup using locally sourced seafood, and that meant a lot of research and experimenting with what type of prawns and crabs to use. The crabs and prawns will have to be roasted in the oven to extract out their flavors. Most of you may be familiar with a crab bisque or a prawn bisque soup, but at Saybons, we've combined the best of both and created our very own award-winning soup, which we call the seafood bisque. Bisque is a French word and usually refers to soup and broth made from crustaceans, such as lobsters, crayfish, crabs. To get a good bisque, you need to simmer the soup for at least 8 to 10 hours to get the maximum flavor. Our current version of the seafood bisque was derived after many years of fine-tuning that includes balancing the brininess of the crabs with the sweetness of the prawns, so that the end result is a luxurious soup. After 8 to 10 hours of simmering, the soup is passed through a fine sieve to remove the prawn shells, and what you get is a very smooth soup that is high in umami and taste of the ocean. To many chefs, a bisque is a luxurious soup, not just because of the expensive ingredients used, but because to have the luxury of time in a busy kitchen to cook such a labor-intensive soup makes this soup truly a rare find on any restaurant's menu. If you like this video, remember to press like, subscribe to our channel, and click on the notification bell below.